When comparing Zoho Books versus ZipBooks for multi-user support, it's clear that both platforms offer some solid features, but which one truly stands out when it comes to collaborating with your team? Today, we'll dive into each of them to figure out which one offers better multi-user support, and stick around till the end because I'll reveal the best option for you and why it could be the right fit for your business. Zoho Books is a well-known name in the accounting world, and for good reason. It's packed with features that make managing your financials easier for small businesses and larger teams alike. When it comes to multi-user support, Zoho Books shines with its role-based access control. This means you can give specific permissions to different users, ensuring that everyone only has access to the information they need. The multi-user support is also scalable, meaning you can add more users as your business grows without running into limitations. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The user interface, while functional, can sometimes feel a bit cluttered, especially when managing multiple users with different roles. This can make navigation a bit tricky for those unfamiliar with the platform. Next thing to consider is ZipBooks, which positions itself as a more straightforward, easy-to-use alternative. For small businesses or solopreneurs looking for basic accounting features, ZipBooks can be an appealing choice. But when it comes to multi-user support, it's a bit more limited. ZipBooks allows for adding multiple users, but it doesn't have the same level of detailed role-based permissions that Zoho Books offers. You can add users, but their ability to access different parts of the software isn't as granular. If you're running a growing team with varying needs for access, you might find this a bit restrictive. Another downside is that while ZipBooks' interface is clean and user-friendly, it may not have the depth or complexity needed by larger teams that require more robust accounting capabilities. The third thing to note is pricing. Zoho Books offers a more tiered approach to pricing, meaning you get different features depending on the plan you choose. The multi-user functionality is available in the higher tier plans, so if you're working with a tight budget, you might need to dig a bit deeper into your pocket. ZipBooks, on the other hand, offers a free plan with basic features that can support multiple users, which makes it a great entry-level option. But as your team expands, you'll quickly realize that you need to upgrade to access more advanced features. Next, let's talk about integrations. Zoho Books is highly customizable and integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including payment gateways and CRM software. This makes it easier to connect Zoho Books with the other tools you might already be using, which can be a major time saver when collaborating with multiple users across different platforms. ZipBooks does offer some integrations, but it's not as expansive as Zoho Books. If you're looking for a solution that seamlessly connects with your other business tools, Zoho Books might be the better option. The fifth thing to look at is customer support. Zoho Books offers solid support with 24/7 availability and multiple channels, including email, live chat, and phone support. If you're working with a team of users and run into issues, it's reassuring to know you can get help quickly. ZipBooks offers email support, but if you're on their free plan, your access to timely customer service can be more limited, which can be frustrating if you're managing multiple users and run into issues. Now, both of these platforms are decent, but after trying them myself, I found a better alternative for handling multi-user collaboration. If you want a platform that has advanced multi-user support, seamless integrations, and a more user-friendly interface without the limitations of ZipBooks or the clutter of Zoho Books, I recommend checking out the option in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. So if you're ready to take your team's financial management to the next level, click the link and get started today.